Welcome to Phi Phi Island, Thailand, a paradise of turquoise waters, white sands, and unforgettable moments. In this video, we'll take you on a visual journey through Phi Phi's most iconic spots, from quiet beaches to magical fire shows, and end with some delicious island food you just can't miss. This is ILoveMoments. Let's begin. Bamboo Island, the hidden gem of the Andaman Sea. Our first stop is one of the most untouched jewels in the Phi Phi archipelago, Bamboo Island, or as the locals call it, Koh Phi Phi. Unlike the more crowded beaches of Phi Phi Don, Bamboo Island is quiet, pristine, and peaceful. A postcard come to life. Despite its name, Bamboo Island isn't filled with bamboo trees. Instead, you'll find casuarina trees swaying in the breeze. The name likely comes from the lush green vegetation that once covered much of the island, although bamboo may have grown here long ago. Located about 5 kilometers northeast of Phi Phi Don, this flat island spans about 600 meters wide and 700 meters long, and it is surrounded entirely by a powdery white sand beach that gently fades into clear turquoise water. What makes Bamboo Island truly special is its coral reef located just offshore, part of the Hat Na Prat Tharamuko Phi Phi National Park. This area is protected, meaning no overnight stays, no large resorts, and limited crowds, preserving the island's wild charm. Snorkelers will find vibrant marine life here, colorful parrotfish, clownfish hiding in anemones, and even the occasional reef shark in the deeper parts. This island is a reminder of what untouched paradise looks like. No loud music, no tourist clutter, just the sound of wind, waves, and nature's silence. It's a place to breathe. Whether you're stopping here for a short picnic, snorkeling for an hour, or walking the entire shoreline barefoot, Bamboo Island will ground you in the present. And in a place like Phi Phi, that's the greatest luxury of all. Boating around Phi Phi, a journey through time and tide. To truly understand Phi Phi, you have to experience it from the water. Because the islands weren't meant to be discovered by land, they were carved by waves, shaped by tide, and meant to be explored by boat. Boating around Phi Phi is more than just transport, it's a cultural ritual. The longtail boat, or Rue Hung Yao, is a Thai invention that dates back nearly a century. Originally designed for navigating shallow coastal waters, these wooden boats are known for their extended propeller shafts and colorful bows. The ribbons tied to the front, they're offerings to Maya Nang, the Thai spirit of travel, asking for protection on the journey ahead. As your boat pulls away from Tan Sai Pier, the first thing you feel is the wind. Warm, salty, alive. Then the limestone cliffs begin to rise. Not like hills, but like ancient walls guarding secrets. Phi Phi is part of the Krabi Province, and these cliffs are over 250 million years old, formed during the Paleozoic era, from layers of coral and sediment pressed together under the sea, then thrust skyward over millennia by tectonic forces. Every cove you pass seems untouched by time. Towering cliffs give way to emerald lagoons. Small, secluded beaches reveal themselves between rocky folds. Some spots like Viking Cave even hold historical significance, once used by sea gypsies and later known for ancient cave paintings and the collection of swiftlet nests, prized for bird's nest soup. Whether you're on a sunrise tour, a private island hop, or a group snorkeling adventure, boating around Phi Phi is a deeply immersive experience, one that shows you the geography, history, and heartbeat of these islands all at once. And the best part? The sea is always calm in the morning, turning glassy and mirror-like. It's as if the island is whispering, "This is how it all began." Fire show at Koh Phi Phi Night Magic. As the sun dips below the sea, Phi Phi transforms. Head to the beach bars of Koh Phi Phi for one of the island's most thrilling spectacles, the fire show. With fire dancers spinning flames to the beat of the music, the night comes alive in a blaze of wonder. Koh Phi Phi Don, the heart and soul of the island. At the heart of the Phi Phi Islands is Koh Phi Phi Don, the only inhabited island in the archipelago and the cultural soul of the region. More than just a tropical escape, this island breathes with stories of resilience, community, and transformation. Spanning about 28 square kilometers, Phi Phi Don has no roads, just narrow walking paths weaving through local homes, beachside bars, scuba schools, souvenir shops, and guest houses. Yet in this compact world, life is vivid, colorful, and full of contrast. Modern comforts nestled within island simplicity. But what many don't know is that Phi Phi Don was once a quiet Muslim fishing village. The island's original settlers arrived from Malaysia and the mainland centuries ago. Today, you'll still find a mix of Thai Buddhists, Thai Muslims, and a growing community of international residents living side by side. In 2004, tragedy struck. The devastating Indian Ocean tsunami hit Phi Phi Don with unimaginable force, especially near Sai Bay. Over 70% of the island's infrastructure was destroyed, and hundreds of lives were lost. But from that sorrow came unity. Locals and volunteers from around the world rebuilt the island, one plank, one memory at a time. Today, Koh Phi Phi Don stands not just as a place of beauty, but as a symbol of resilience. The island's dual bays, Sai Bay and Loh Dalum Bay, are like open arms, hugging the land. Sai is the hub, the heartbeat. Here, ferries arrive with hopeful travelers, and the streets pulse with energy. It's a place of beginnings, of arrivals, of new stories waiting to unfold. But just beyond the buzz lies a softer rhythm, which brings us to our next stop. Loh Dalum Beach, tranquility between the cliffs. Nestled behind the village and shielded by rugged cliffs is Loh Dalum Beach, the quieter twin of Sai, but no less spectacular. Here the water is shallow and still, stretching out like a shimmering mirror. During low tide, you can walk nearly 100 meters out into the sea with soft sand between your toes and cliffs rising behind you like silent guardian. What makes Loh Dalum truly magical is how it changes throughout the day. In the morning, it's serene. Locals do yoga, fishermen prepare their nets, and early risers sip coconut water on the shore. By afternoon, it comes alive with swimmers, kayakers, and travelers lounging under umbrellas, music softly playing from cafes tucked into the trees. Then comes sunset, and the sky over Loh Dalum turns to gold, then pink, then velvet purple. Historically, Loh Dalum was used by local fishermen as a resting bay, protected from stronger ocean winds. Today, it's become a gathering place where people from all walks of life come, not just to swim, but to connect. Beach bars here often feature nighttime fire shows, with performers spinning flames to rhythmic beats, continuing a tradition that has become a signature of Phi Phi's nightlife culture. But even amidst the fire and music, there's a sense of peace, a balance between celebration and serenity, something that only an island like this can create. Maya Bay, a legendary beauty, reborn. Few places on Earth carry the mythic glow that Maya Bay does. Tucked inside the uninhabited island of Koh Phi Phi, Maya Bay isn't just a destination. It's a dream many have seen long before arriving. Famed for its appearance in the 2000 film The Beach, starring Leonardo DiCaprio, Maya Bay became the face of tropical paradise for millions across the globe. But long before Hollywood's cameras captured its beauty, Maya Bay was sacred to locals, a cove shaped by time, storm, and tide. Its high cliffs form a natural amphitheater, shielding it from ocean winds and creating a sanctuary where nature could thrive. Yet its rise to fame came at a cost. After the film, tourism exploded. At its peak, Maya Bay saw over 5,000 tourists per day. Long-tail boats idled in the bay's fragile waters, crowds trampled the vegetation, and coral reefs, thousands of years in the making, were damaged beyond repair. By 2018, Maya Bay was dying. In an unprecedented move, Thai authorities made a bold decision. They closed it. For over 3 years, Maya Bay was off limits. Marine biologists began one of the region's most ambitious reef restoration projects. Coral was replanted, native plants were regrown, wildlife began to return, and in 2022, Maya Bay quietly reopened, with strict rules to protect its fragile beauty. Today, tourists may visit, but no boats are allowed to enter directly. Swimmers must stay in designated zones. And yet, even with these limits, Maya Bay remains enchanting, maybe more than ever. Walking on its powder-soft sand, hearing the waves echo against the cliffs, you feel something ancient here, as if the island is slowly teaching us how to respect what we love. Maya Bay isn't just beautiful, it's a symbol that nature, if given a chance, can heal. Sai Beach, the island's first embrace. Every journey of Phi Phi begins here. Sai Beach, the first footprint, the first breath. Stretching along the southern curve of Koh Phi Phi Don, Sai Beach is more than just the island's main harbor, it's the lifeline. A place where tides carry stories, and people from all over the world step into the island's rhythm for the very first time. Historically, Sai wasn't always a tourist hub. For generations, this bay was a fishing and trading port, where longtails would come and go with fresh seafood, rice, and supplies from Krabi and Phuket. Locals lived in harmony with the sea, their lives dictated by the sun, the moon, and the tide. But in the 1980s, things began to shift. The secret of Phi Phi began to spread. Word of mouth among adventurous travelers reached further, and by the 1990s, Sai became the bustling heart of a new era. Cafes sprouted, dive shops opened, and the once sleepy pier transformed into a lively mosaic of cultures. Then came the 2004 tsunami, and Sai was hit hard. The waves surged through this narrow stretch of land, washing away boats, buildings, and memories. But the spirit of Sai did not sink. Locals rebuilt, not just homes and hotels, but the sense of community that makes this place feel alive. Today, Sai is where you'll find the pulse of the island, the clatter of rolling luggage on cobblestone paths, the sizzle of chicken skewers on street stalls, the melodic blend, Shia of languages in cafes and beach bars. And just steps from the pier, travelers sit on the sand, watching the very sea they crossed to get here. Sai isn't the most glamorous beach, but it's real, it's raw. It's the doorway between two worlds, the one you left behind and the one you're about to discover. And as you walk into the island's interior, with the cliffs rising behind you and the sea glimmering ahead, you'll know your Phi Phi story has just begun. Top 5 must-try foods in Phi Phi Islands, a taste of Thai island life. Before you leave Phi Phi, let your taste buds take their own journey. Thai cuisine is known around the world, but here on the island, it comes with a unique twist. Freshness from the sea, heat from the wok, and flavors as colorful as the sunsets. Here are 5 must-try foods to experience in Phi Phi. Number 1. Grilled seafood platter. Fresh from the Andaman Sea, Phi Phi's seafood is unbeatable. Try a mix of prawns, squid, mussels, and red snapper grilled right in front of you. Served with garlic butter and spicy seafood sauce, it's smoky, succulent, and unforgettable. Number 2. Pad Thai with tiger prawns. No trip to Thailand is complete without pad Thai, but on Phi Phi, order it with giant tiger prawns caught locally. Cooked in a street wok, it's stir-fried with rice noodles, tamarind, peanuts, and lime. Sweet, salty, tangy perfection. Number 3. Som Tum, spicy green papaya salad. This refreshing, fiery dish is a local favorite. Shredded green papaya, crushed peanuts, fish sauce, lime, and chili, pounded together in a mortar. It's spicy, sour, crunchy, and best eaten with sticky rice by the beach. Number 4. Massaman curry. A mild, creamy curry with Muslim Thai roots. Massaman blends coconut milk, cinnamon, cloves, and peanuts. Spice massaman usually with chicken or tofu. Warm, comforting, and full of soul, it's often served with steamed jasmine rice. But it's so long people and side tourists released of. Number 5. Banana pancake, island style. A backpacker classic. You'll find banana pancakes on every street. I look like make sure that are for while. If they're all stayed in someone past before a matted curry, super fried with egg, folded over bananas and drizzled with chocolate or condensed milk. Simple, sweet, and the perfect island dessert after a long beach day. From hidden beaches and limestone cliffs to sizzling walks and firelit nights, Phi Phi isn't just a place, it's a feeling. One that lingers in your memory like the smell of the sea on your skin. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the Phi Phi Islands. If this video brought you a little closer to paradise, give it a like, leave your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to ILoveMoments for more stories from the world's most beautiful places. Until next time, travel slow, feel deeply, and chase moments that stay with you. This was Phi Phi, and this is ILoveMoments.